Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys basically where you can find the moderators on your TikTok live. So on the live studio version, I like this version better, just better than on the phone. Select go live, and then under moderators here you'll be able to see the moderators, I say that a lot, that are like moderating your live. Anyways, you can either remove them or manage their access. And then when you're done, you're just going to select confirm, and that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.